So they know some accent of it. Indian. Hello, hello. कुछ कुछ होता है. They are saying about that Shahrukh Khan. कभी खुशी कभी गम. Correct, correct. अच्छा अच्छा. नहीं नहीं. Correct. They know Hindi little bit, but they don't know. Huh? Yeah, say something. Say something. Tell them. Say something. For India, say something. Tell. For India, say something. About Indonesia. About Indonesia, say something. To India.
Kan sanjang Indonesia, tentang Indonesia kenapa ngeten.
For India. For India.
Kunir, ya, si kunir itu indah.
What it mean? What it mean?
Tahu nggak si kunir?
Huh?
Si kunir itu indah.
Huh.
Mainan istro dia.
Cumin means?
Wah, ada kayak cumin.
Cumin means?
Pernah ke si kunir? Gimana? Si kunir?
Si kunir.
Si kunir gimana?
Good. Bike.
Ah,
Bike.
si kunir itu berada di desa tertinggi sepulau Jawa.
The highest village in Java.
Village in Java.
Desa
Oh.
tertinggi sepulau Jawa itu desa Sembungan.
Oh.
Terus wisatanya itu si kunir itu gunung, Mas.
Si kunir is a mountain.
Hill.
It's a mountain. Hill. Yeah, that farming also.
Iya.
So that potato?
Itu namanya Gunung Pakuwojo.
Pakuwojo means which?
Pakuwojo mountain.
So no, that
Niko kentang napa seneh?
vegetable.
Oh, kentang, Mas. Di
Potato.
sini
Potato,
semua.
right? Potato, So guys, that potato farming.
Semuanya.
So that too much there.
Tanaman kentang di
Too long.
Diang itu terbaik.
So water from lake.
Naik.
Water.
Mm.
Pani.
Penyiraman.
Water.
Water itu air.
Air.
Jadi
Air.
kalau musim kemarau itu
They bring the water from that motor.
Kano Cebong.
Okay.
Back to the mountain.
Buat penyiraman kalau musim kemarau.
Oh. So what I need to say?
Tapi kalau buat air minum itu air sumur. Air sumur, tahu
What it mean?
Mbak, sedang kayak gaete
Ngerti napa kula bebas ngertos nek sumure napa?
Nah, jenengan kenal Nabi, Mbak?
Ya,
Pancen sange? Bahasa Jawa Kromo Inggil, tahu nggak?
Huh?
Javanese language.
Oh, so this is Javanese language.
Nah, Jawa Kromo
Okay.
Inggil sama Jawa Ngoko.
So what I need to say? Makasi or something else?
Matur nuwun.
Matur
Matur
suwun.
Matur suwun.
Terima kasih.
Oh. And then sama-sama? Same?
Sami-sami.
Sami.
Sami-sami.
Oh. So guys, sami means,
Sama-sama, sami-sami, tinggal
so in Java we say sami means welcome, and in Indonesia we say sama. So difference, little bit difference. Java.
Indiane mana, Mas?
Utara.
Huh?
North India.
Yeah, North India, Uttarakhand,
Ganteng ya?
near Nepal near Nepal,
Nah.
Uttarakhand, border.
Sakit kali Nepal.
Oh, bukan yang perindapan.
Huh? What's it mean? Hey, tell me. What they ask?
Sanes.
Sanes?
Sanes. Jadi itu saya Sanes.
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 Oh. What does it mean?
No, I'm not Perindapan.
Huh?
I'm not Perindapan.
Perindapan means?
Perindapan means
Mas kayak orang Indonesia. Mukanya tuh kayak orang Indonesia.
Means?
you looks like the Indonesian place.
Yeah, look like Indonesian.
Indonesia jadinya tuh orang Jawa.
In northeast India and Nepal and Uttarakhand, so same face look like Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, little bit same. So if he come to India,
India.
Arabian.
Huh?
Arabian.
Arabian. Yeah. So if you also come to India, you'll not say anything like this. So you are Indian.
Ini buangan dari Arabia. Dibuang
Oh.
ke sini ke Sikunir.
So he's Arabian.
Dibuang. Tanya, buang
Huh?
apa?
Don't believe.
What?
Don't believe.
Okay.
Indonesian.
Truly Indonesian. So only
Sembungan.
Simbungan. Okay. Village.
Village Sembungan.
Oh.
Sikunir Hill.
Sikunir Hill. Oh, so near only. Localite, huh? Local. Oh.
Kira-kira gini ya.
अच्छा नहीं so she also connected with me. First time she also said like this, अच्छा नहीं कभी खुशी कभी गम कुछ होता है. शाहरुख खान.
Pas bisa ke duit.
Calonnya.
Napa?
Calonnya.
Rencang.
Rencang.
So you like India?
Like,
India?
yes, I like India.
Yay! Come to India. Come to India.
Musik,
Huh?
sawah kalau udah punya pulus.
Huh? What's mean?
Minum nang. Minum nang.
Come to India. Say come to India.
Lamu gue
Say
bu.
come to India.
Keteng India.
Insya Allah
Keteng
kalau udah
India
punya pulus.
taksi.
Pulusnya belum banyak.
Means
Don't
money.
have a lot of money.
Oh,
No money, no money. No money.
yeah, costly.
Mani lekes.
Not it is so. So guys, only 1,000. It's the smallest note, right? In Indonesia.
Nggak bisa ke India ini.
No issue in future. Future come to India.
Teng masa depan.
Insya Allah kapan-kapan.
Next, yeah.
Kajol.
Huh?
Kajol.
Kajol means? Oh, Shahrukh Khan and Kajol. Hey, so you know, so you like Kajol.
I like Shahrukh Khan. I like
Shahrukh Khan. So she like Shahrukh Khan
saya sih.
and he like Kajol. Husband.
Nih,
Oh, children.
Children.
Oh, Putra.
Putra.
Ah.
My name is Putra.
Oh, his name is also Putra.
Putra
Ah.
Sikunir.
Oh. So in India, Putra means son. Putra means son. Son. Say.
Sunrise.
You know. You convert that. You can translate.
Kayak teh bujuk-bujuk baik.
But his name is Putra.
Putra, yeah. So explain her. Putra means in India son.
Teng India niku putra niku anak laki-laki.
Sama aja.
Ah.
Di sini juga putra anak laki-laki, putri anak perempuan.
Putri means a daughter.
Ya.
Putra means son in India.
Man.
Ah.
Man, putra itu man.
Ha.
Kalau putri means.
Like C.
Senang dia apa?
Semarang.
So same, little bit Indonesia and same. India same word. And what is same word? Sabar. Sabar also same. India also sabar.
Sabar.
Ha, sabar.
Sabar. Putra itu sabar.
No. Sabar, patience. Same word. In India also same.
Oh iya, nyong kan sabar.
Sabar, same. Putra, same. Putri, same. Ha, in India also we say.
Aja.
Ha, acha. Say something. Hey, say something.
Halo, dadah.
Yeah, you need to say something.
Dadah. Iya.
Yeah, now it's silent. Yeah.
No.
So he also want to do blogging.
No.
Give him a camera. He want to become a blogger. Blogger.
Orang ngerti bahasa nih.
Huh?
Kan ngevlog.
Oh. So he want saying I also do.
Suwe temen si Depi.
So when our transportation will come?
Mau cek apa?
Jare nganggo jeep. Entuk 1.000.
Jeep. Gere. Wis omong, Pak? Omong?
Wis di
Can we go lift? Huh? One by one. Can we go lift? Or can we go in lift? How? So no transportation. Do something, do.
Silent.
Memory din tag mo.
Lah iya, siapa dia saben wis entek we ngono we iki malah direnyong Mas.
Tag memory nih.
Huh?
Memorinya habis man.
My
Memory was gone.
yeah, mobile gone. Another mobile I taken. Then another last one I'll take.
Muter Mas.
Orang putih kor guya-guyu dong. Siapa yang muter? Bro, cantik. Cakep.
Chanting means?
Beautiful.
Ha, she's
No.
chanting, yeah.
No. He
Yeah.
said stupid, I'm stupid. He said I'm stupid.
Sombong. Chanting, yeah, I know she's chanting.
Setting terus. Tag memory.
She is chanting. Yeah, I know.
Stop. Saben ini sahabat.
Also she is sombong.
Bung ngerti sombong.
Oh,
Nyonya
sombong.
kan sok ngomong
Si
sombong.
Sombong.
Yeah.
Sombong.
You know sombong, huh?
Sombong.
No, she is sombong. Like this. Yeah. Correct. See, you know also you are sombong.
Cantik, sombong.
Yeah, that's why she is chanting.
Cantik.
Yeah.
Larangan gini berarti misal
Kali beber.
kali berapa?
Dan dia jenengan ngomongannya kayak wong isoran sih Mas.
Iya.
Kayak wong dia. Daerah Bukelan.
Gila.
Bokelan gini. Nanti. Kemiri. Cepakan beo kelurahan ya kan ya.
Nah. Ngerti deh nih Mas, ya ngerti.
So we are waiting for a transportation. So still waiting.
Nang munggah.
So say bye bye. For first vlog, second day you can say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Dadah.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Ha, thank you. Like makasih, right? Ha. And then
Matur
Sami.
suwun.
Ha, maku
Matur suwun.
matur suwun. Ha. Then you will say sami.
Sami-sami.
Yay. Guys, I'm learning that language.